We're releasing today our second report for the year, and this one is about AI and content creation. In order to give you really the highlights, we have the lead analyst, so Joe Teasdale is the head of tech at Enders Analysis.
Why use AI at all? You can do more with less, and it kind of gives you superpowers. So you can create a whole kind of like interactive experience as, a sole trader.
I personally read the end of the report a bit like a love letter to the metaverse. So what brought you towards, a much more positive outlook?
That underlying principle of things becoming more, immersive, the fact that we have a generation born with a controller in their hands, all of that kind of leads us to believe that in the long run, we are on this path towards more immersion and interactivity across a range of features.
The whole IP framework exists so that we are incentivized to create. If now someone can just copy my stuff, how am I going to monetize? How am I being rewarded for all of the efforts that I put in learning how to create? Instead of fighting it, what you could do as a record label, you could create your own model and maybe you could license them. You are at least trying to be propositive about it, which ultimately benefits economically the artist.
So there are two companies right now who's creating hardware just for LLM inference, and they achieved more than 1,000 tokens per second. The idea of embedded LLM into the game or the metaverse is going to be reality once you have more hardware that can produce content at a higher speed, because there will be literally zero latency.
One of the things that metaverse creators or experience builders have to consider is that the new generation likes to snack on entertainment. And here we are trying to create persistence and always on worlds and hang out forever and talk to each other. So that's something that we need to solve for.
You hear these stories about 6 million people attended the Travis Scott concert in Fortnite. If you look to your left and right, there weren't 6 million people. There was maybe 50. The amazing thing about being at a concert, a lot of it is this two-way interaction between the host or the artist and you. But unfortunately, we've not really been able to do that, in virtual spaces, I guess, until now.
And thank you, everybody, for joining today. Thank you for the panelists. Thank you for all the people, Enders, creating the content, Rob for participating and showing how we make it concrete. Thank you so much. It looked really great.